Hi everybody. So this was a requested video. Someone really liked the coat that I had on in the suitcase zipping video, and so I have it here. This is my black coat, and it is from 66 Degrees North. I really like this brand, and it's a very unique coat because you could just sort of bunch it up in a ball and then store it somewhere. It's really nice that way. But I'm gonna be playing with the zipper on this coat for you and doing some fast zipping with it because that was requested, and hopefully you like it. And so yeah, here it goes. Sorry, my zipper's getting stuck here. There we go. It's like a zipper pilot. Not anymore. I love the sound this coat makes. Sorry about that. That was sticking. I zipped up some of the fabric. Oh, I wanted to mention, I'm going to be making some videos after this, or a video after this, that I had in mind. But I did get a request for a longer match lighting video, and I've been having technical difficulties, and I actually was recording a lot, but I deleted it because I couldn't get it uploaded to YouTube, and that's why I'm redoing this actually. And I've ran out of matches because I've redone it so many times. So I do apologize for the delay in that one, but I will be getting it up soon as I have a chance to go buy more matches, which I will be doing hopefully tomorrow. So I'll buy a box of those matches, and I'll make that longer match video for you guys as soon as I can, and get it uploaded as soon as I can. So hope you like this video with my faces in it, and hopefully it was relaxing. I don't know, it's unique to each person, so maybe it won't be relaxing to all of you, but hopefully to some of you, you'll like it. So. And I mean, even if it's just the one person who requested it, that's good enough. So, and I guess I'll say that's it for the coat for now, and I'll make my next video. Check it out. It is involving jewelry, and surround me in my box. And that's it. Thank you.